Yamahwefo kwa ba de battery set TV Ghana so man kunto djumadi a ya hyehyɛ ne sonko ade bia ya de bremo ene den so yate asi montene se sɛ dia bibia ye no yama mpanyi bia ba betena so a eye 120 days a wocha no ye hye no ma a waye edi aboa wo man Ghana na wa ready address and say state of nations address said ya bibia ya no omoye no enu nti yate asi montene so ye be hye John Dramani Mahama NDC amanyokuo no Omobetna ba enwane so 2025 year wa sha asie 121 days ni yade toto eye MPP was no kokoko amanyokuo no na na adedankwa Akufo-Addo yamampanyi dada na mamuo no sei na esiko wa wo hye me wo be resi ni sei John Dramani Mahama de eneye anasa na na adedankwa Akufo-Addo de eneye maami abna mansa na mejesu wo betimi so afeme maami mansa kaisam na mde dwumadie ebrewo yenkwai na yenkwaje adofo bi agene 120 days compared to MPP government, NDC government, which is which. Yankwai, na yankwasha adofun so and someone beka afa ho.
Ye man penyi bae. Oh, one year be crash so e so ye ni kakra because market no unremu a niam a ye to na ejina fa. Enye se ede bia na yetum ade ebechi bia na yetum ade ebechi bia na yetu ehu se no aba fom kakra. Nti ama yeso edwa no ha agina yetumu suma akwala odwom first no suma akwala usdane wo ha wase me ko yetum usuma na wase yetum de bia da yehu dwa iska ye de kodwom by na say de yehu se eye se bi sa abeka ho a obehu se be ye
eti se no onto oka se ni campaign mu no do kono 5 cd Akufo-Addo time no obeti so me na ba 2 cd se kwakwa dokro no ha dia kwa dokro no kokko yi ba kupie na mensha de na yamampanyi ni ka se
2 cds no
yamampanyi dada
na for high so me ebia satam no me won ba ba ko nema me won kwala be 4 enti me ka se 2 cds na ebia ebe ha ba ejina fa akwa 5 series otini didim
ba what say oka say o say ya Akufo-Addo time no oka say dokono no ne boarding eye say ko 2 series 3 series say dokono mo ba ne say 5 series 7
series
mo ba ne say
5 series 7 series na ye bo no
eti say no atisho na say huru kosoro
ne so no de akoba ya nko bebre sa because ada time na ye boy wono ba ye nyentu se na ye bo na Akufo-Addo time na starting 7
Akufo-Addo time no ye model 7
series na
na about 5 series 4 series Adi ameka cho say me to dokono
me na me start November mu na me start ball dokono 7 series
ya betu aba no mu na wo ball dokono 7 series abepa janse bat ma
November
ya model 4 series 5
November mu na me shase ball dokono 7 series enti tuna ma esi ekura ma sa page mu kura ma na ayekese first no kura me ball 7 na me e wo form because na marketing nti uko de bia na say na ntosu kitue bi say obeto enso metimi ato ntosu be 2 million 3 million enso na nyame adomi to be e bia 1 million 1.5 etimi so
enu a me koto banku ene ya banku ni tilapia bia me lunch a me di ye me to tilapia no Oma me banku omo ka cha me say age se me to banku na me say na since when na sa di we ya start here because eni me say banku ni tilapia de wo to a ya ma wo banku ya ma wo kese kura no ya ma wo be banku ba kwa na mienu na on to tilapia 80 cedis 100 cedis 1.5 e ma ya kan to say age so to banku nti de wo kan wo cha me say dokon na nkwa soro
dokuru ne dia fi say free November mu a me start ball 7 series no me mfa bi nka ho by free ho sa that time no de ba ne no ko me hu say neye because sa that time de bia me ko market e kosoro de bia kosoro nti na entumu na me tumu de ko 7 no kwa so na me hu so by sisi ane de nyame adomi ntumu de by eye
no ba customers na omo to omo ba won kasa
de bi sesi akodo omo agi atum 7 series no kro omo agi atum asen 5 series me no ka say o he me pan yi hu a 7 series line na e wo form aha 5 no 5 no 7 no kra na ye agi atum 7 no ye agi atum asen 5 no sesi a me ba 7 series ni e
de fatu we su na ye
ba enie we ye 5 series 5 ana we su e 7 series enti nipa no ha obeto 10 series na obedi ma na e waste de oto 7 series na normal no waje ne fish 5 cedi 12 cedis oba me
I say no kwa doc me ni board you 7 cedi no
odi oba me o he wait na bi wom
haja me bi doc ya me
oba me pa because wait wom
matere da se pa haja me da se Mahama 121 days ya mampanyi ni ana ya mampanyi dada Ekufuado ono so 121 days so say Ekufuado ka say obe introduce free SHS ya mampanyi so oti so ka say 24-hour economy Ekufuado ba ya wo ya ne de Mahama so ade ne de aba sai na wusi hu no 121 days
121 days mama de ne de mani so enema wo de agu kwa mkura ogu so ye no utimi se wo man no emu bedo
biti say
emu yi a wan yi afiri wo ne tax ne bi a wo yi afiri ho a se se hwe sikaya dollars ye so teba aha ntimi hu se wo tena so kɔ nanim be 2 years kɔ de wo man no emu bedo as the first the next Ekufuado one
24-hour economy now
24-hour economy ne de fi ogu so ene no so de mfa 6 months nye adwuma no obebi this is wonya ho akane ansa na otimi aye
nse Ekufuado so ba ono ne de
school de se e wo ho betima aka se ne ya school e bia me ya na nadwa na me ye na wi obetima aka ba adwuma de wontimi ka se ne ya me ya adwuma me kwa ni hefa na nipa ne be ya adwuma ana adwuma ba na wo bi school de wo ho dada ana wo ba ya wo de na no ka se wo ye no free
ati hu se Mahama mfeli
Mahama mfeli kura manage na mamu no ho pa to won kwaso nya ne sa e baboaye
that sense ma kwa baba president so
ya meje so
acha na ho ye de
acha me ho ye na mo so e
adi adu acha fra wo say
me de Mr. Asma
yen show ya mampanyi John Dramani Mahama 121 days awotwe wo de toto eye na nado danko Ekufuado ono nso die a wotwa ya sai na system ni siko obi ba ye mo se ye mpamo no na wonko we nsu aba mo de toto ye sai na system no wusi hu no
sense
amamu no sai na siko 120 days no
okay Ekufuado ba promises about the free SHS beba nti Ekufuado ba na and 1 week kura ma no na so say SHS no olanchi mo bia re ehun ba Mahama de no so also ka say diapers and so diapers now so yehun but sanitary pass ba Mahama amangu de ma hu ayi kakra ne say as a dollar na kofom dollar no Ekufuado amangu no ba dollar no and to me and from said the Mahama they are not from ti e bompa se be say ya dia nye but kakra me hunu say dollar na from but say ne man dey the 490 so e jina ti se be from uko kan say ai na o stock ti se be from dia enko from man e man so yen santete so but e from na ne man ya ante so dia ene da ko jo kono jankontia ti Mahama so far ni je so good there am say ye
woni mi say olanchi say obeye 24-hour economy eno so as 121 days na nyamma no so wadwen che
ye ti ho hwe
ti ano no wa feli anase wo mfeli
wa feli
because as no ana na
because na san so obi aka say na sanitary pass what you say nti Ekufuado de okan free SHS no obai na o de bai wan kase bia ye 23 months na say 1 month
na kase Ekufuado de na yes na Mahama de sana
yeah but also almost buy dollar no okay mo promises ne there we promise you no oba o deliver mo bia
promise
Ekufuado o ka say free SHS I'm a promise me ben but sa 24-hour ne there nyamba yenim time beba
yo ya da
and on sa ka so betete we levy bi yi levy ni ara de also wotumi ade ayem na abem eto no ka so be yi free nyama bi so wotumi yi our parliament
ya fra say
atamdi do dabla
edai
do dabla
Joe Debra, yeah, share your mampenny, John Dramani Mahama, Namamu, 121 days. And then another Danko Kufa, the former president, or no, so dear 21 days a buyer. A Kufa the time, or Casa, or the free SHS Beba. A buyer, no, or shall see your mampenny short tissue, or no, so Casa. What the 24-hour economy beba. They say 121 days, no one is say. While we did a dear echo, Mohuni say.
Because so far, the credible and this name people, the good fan. And the credit share and this Yamembo, the company that women say this is a better so far, a better. Okay, do I see taxes be a fee. Offense and never what so fine. Now, we share offense $1 side and above from Kamakama. I'm not going to swear that ever for. To me, they made it to me there, yeah.
But who say what fairly? 24-hour economy now, one young. Who finds a book or Shabob, so yeah, event. Education, one other book, other building penny so. I saw apart from that, no. We won the baby out 8 years or the buyer. That's a fair. Where is your one in Papa be 8 years, none other than Father or the buyer, and Yabama Bakwa, oh, yeah, dear. Boko. When you have the pastor of Becassa. You are comparing another Danko Kufuado, your former president, John Dramani Mahama, current president, 121 days no. A Kufuado Castle will be a free SHS. Mungina Muhuye, where ye Mahama 24-hour economy. Or non so sign a whistle no 120 days no.
Okay, 120 days in a day. We want to say a year pa. Me driver ni. Yeah, a babu amene se me course a kwan so aba. Na me bibia me ye no. Me nyam fa so wo so. The na first no me koba na petrol no na e wo soro diesel no na e wo soro pa but they say me say aba form economy no so e ba form na je se Ghana nso ye wo na economy no e ya de bia e ma ye ne ba kosoro pa nti e ko form no me hu ni se bibia no e beboa pa iti ba na oba ye ne de me hu se 120 days ne de no kurani ye de bibia to nchenya e wa ye ni ye
It's so
unfairly kura because there's a chassis any a chassis no na just near my conca cranka cry form kakra but who's on prene ho wa would make on prene ho e yeboko e conca cranka cra ana e conca cranka na just say bibia so e ko for me ada go buy no e no ma sa page dia na e hu say ya feda da no ba bibia e ko form kakra dia unfairly kura na the mechanic say and no ka se bi mane ya me deyie pa wo se bibia ekofom na omo de omo adwena ye se me ko fa niam ne dada enti bi de me de gia na me de je no eno wo se omo 60 days se me boade ya wo se omo 60 days enye se obete enkrofo agum ama wa e beba o niam no page no ekwa bi se kosora ekofom a ebe ma no ayede akofo enti asem na o kan no wudumi se papa no ene bokine ni nso ode ne ho aboro no akwa keto a vision e wo ni tim no anya bia no enye panyini nkwa na kira akwa nyansa akwa azu timi kire panyini nyansa tibi hu se ebeboa pa boy na ode ne egura ne no aman nyina ka se boy na ya ade edi so ode ne wo bona mi so betra konwa ne so ache emfa wo se 4 years rekwa ebe sa ato ane so
o ma biem ya da se eja na ho ye de
me ho ye pa
ye sha Mahama 121 days a wode ba ye Obewidi ya de compare na do Danko Kufuado na mamu a ono so 121 days ya mampanyi ka say ono no the 24-hour economy na eba system ni mu ama youth na nya bia ye na do Danko Kufuado nso de ye free SHS ono eba ye munyina ye hu se wo lanchi ye e ma ne koso 121 days Mahama wa failure na so won failure ya mamu no
oh de wo ye no de ne kwan so ano no na de ye peni say ebeyeye ade bia wo ye no obi ta wachi a na jese ayeye nti mpaye ne ebo ma ne se ebeyeye the private teacher poku tabuom station master ye wo ye no e bompaye ma no se anyeye edwa that's
Mama performance me ye better check Kufuado
akwa
best so se Kufuado be di mfie nwotwe was walk acquire Russia Cathedral my $58 million. I'm now look at 2 years for so be amaso. I feel so or buy no na the sick some $1 and now I dear to be a 20 but Mama bar was so many and saying, my who said improvement abem pa because ba abem no chese say ba ye enche bia so cash kakra ate som 2 times ti ya sempa info say ombanya omni GPR for that na anwumre wo kọ be krokro as 10 cedi no no masia no kwa
Case can patch up intra na he fan ye take case cash.
the chese wo kọ me kro anwumre dawa for etim kase 10 cedi
Na na o ma comment bi si ate case cash ba mi hu si
the chese ya te petros ha ate petros but dawa for twa no mutwa ya benti yesram mo no mo trans no mo kana ye ho he ha
ti we dey who ni said here.
mama you better check Akufo-Addo 100 times.
Amiadum, and I'm going to Muju. Say, be Mrs. Quacker, or to crowd, timidity was CI or and we had done so home. And inflation is about from another dollar. So, if you want 20 days compare Akufo-Addo, the Mamma, dear, a better than Akufo-Addo baby. Media diminution found.
1 year 24-hour economy man say Akufo-Addo so I don't know why you know.
And yeah, as you say, media, me say 120 days compared to Akufo-Addo 120 days there. Mama dear better than
You say mo to mo mai mo.
How to dear Yugusu. We say Yugusu. We say some year to come in India, Nigeria Mabeba. Oko ama yina wo ogina hobetom so hobetom
Dey me ho to me.
Ayo
Eradi adum ti me ho to me pa. Mini sasa na so ho to. Ipacha ni efro say.
Efrem Steven Jomo.
Acha wo ye dey wa ha.
Me station master wa ha no.
Okay, e wa dum pampas.
Me pa so an taji rank ya.
We dey hu hu say Mahama Afeni.
Me say better than Akufo-Addo 120 days.
That's Mr. Jomo. Yaman Penny Dada Akufo-Addo and the current president John Dramani Mahama. Yesha 121 days Mamuna. Obiba or say Mayor Free SHS no ye we should ba 24-hour economy. We share 121 days John Dramani Mahama Diana so compared to the previous one, which is which?
Yeah, we can see that like the previous government spent 8 years, and we can see that things weren't going well as we Ghanaians, and we can see that I am a Praga driver.
Yeah.
I can see petrol is at high price. We cannot even afford neither like the work we do.
Okay.
Things are very hard for us. But spending the 8 years, the previous government is not well enough to be the leader of Ghana, seeing at the way things are very high. But we can see the reason is that you can see that as the current one, your mama came just 3 months. You can see that the fuel is dropping in every 24 every week. But that's very good. It wasn't like that when the MPP is those who raised it to that level, which have never happened before. Yes, this is the first time Ghana fuel price almost raised to 20 Ghana cedis, one in 1 liter.
It's 20 cedis now.
Yeah,
1 liter is 20 cedis.
No, it was at the MPP era. It's the time it almost got to 20 cedis, which never happened in Ghana.
So current one is how much?
The current one you can see is they say it will drop, but I see is 12 cedis below. But and that's very for 1 liter, and that's very good for we the youth and the streets who use the machine. Yes, on the street, it's very good.
But his message, campaign message, a 24-hour economy, he hasn't delivered. How do you see?
Yeah, you can see the president is almost 4 years, and it's almost only 3 months, and we can see within the 4 years, it's only 3 months, and we can see that things that the government has done is we have hope that at time to come the 24-hour economy will come on, because seeing it to be there, like the dollar is on top and it's going down.
It's falling down.
Things are going small.
Gradual process.
And we are happy that very soon the 24-hour economy will come on.
So you haven't seen that the president has failed there?
The president has never failed.
She hasn't failed?
He's just improving on, and we like that.
Okay.
You can see that Ghana is now going far. Ghana is going on top. So the MPP government almost spoiled Ghana, and the NDC is very good. Your mama is a very good leader.
She came for you, especially the Praga people. He introduced you, your work. How do you see it?
Yeah, our work. Our work within the problem is just the petrol, and because we do, every day if you get we almost buy. That was around 2021. or maybe the previous government time. If you come out to work, you can buy a fuel 20 cities,
Okay.
and you are done. You not buy any fuel for the 24 hours day, one day. But now at the MPP government, you can see Galam is almost 100 cities, and a day you can't even
How about
afford.
your loading? How do you see the passengers? Are they frequent coming?
Yeah, not like that's no, but it's just we are just managing. I've seen
You
that.
see, you said the president has reduced some taxes and some fuel prices. So, do you also reduce some of your prices, especially if somebody is taking you as a drop-in?
Oh yeah, we reduce it because the moment the petrol go down, we to reduce our prices. But the moment the petrol go high, we know we work as the more you buy fuel, the more you work. You charge passengers to pay. So if the fuel comes down, we do what we also reduce prices. Like if you are coming to take drop in last year, if the fuel was like this, like that, and you came, then last year if it comes down, we will reduce it for you to be able to afford, and everything will be going very good for everybody to
In
afford.
case I'm going to Bantama, how much will you take me?
If you are going to Bantama, you pay 20 cities from here to Bantama. Yeah,
Is sure.
yeah.
For Pragia.
For Prague.
And taxi to 25 cities. Don't you think it's a cheat?
You know me, I'm Prague. I don't drive taxi, and everybody. Sometimes if you go to a taxi, if I say 20 cities, you can say, oh, reduce it, and we'll do market. We will stand at 15 cities. Maybe the taxi can also do it to 20 cities, and that's very good.
But you're a good marketer.
Sadia adofun mu bi eka ye no eyamanimisem dada. Dodo na akire say ye compare man panyi dada na nadedan kwa Akufo-Addo ene ye current president John Dramani Mahama esem sejata sadia oba ye no ono introduce eye 24-hour economy na kire say na mamuo no 121 days na as to compare to previous government MPP amanyokuo na they are far better than MPP. Sadia amount for a chireno or margin chireno no. Ebi chire so oh na nadedan kwa Akufo-Addo wo see here no wo ye. If you so no waka say free SHS no wo ba wo de beba no. Wo share ye e de ba ye gidigidi na no de start ya de ko wie ye. Ye man panyina wati su say John Dramani Mahama wakasa obeye enso ono no de wonyanya ye. Na mom tax yi levy eno ho nkoneba no betting tax we reduce we ye free ho afa dollar no ekofom amanfo no mu e kire say wo mo ho ju wo mo eno amaboa ahyase e ba fom say wo bia ho heha ne kakra sa na mo kire ebi so kire say dabi Mahama de no kura de enye apro atiti apansam wo hye de akwakwa wo hu hwe sa system no se mu aye slow se mu aye hio se ko se bo wo chese no an se wo mon nam ho saa wo mu hu de ekọ wo a wo hye me wo so wo de ene sei ayamanimisam dada kai se mame abna mansa me na me di dwumadie ebrewo e wo 3 TV Ghana o man kuntu dwumadie so sifel enso e na etwa ye e ma wo nsu nya bi hye adondum ya ye bese hia makramu